name is Chris McIntosh with Enelgas USA, and I just want to talk to you briefly today about our new system, the leak detection system. Leak detection system is also a flood prevention device. Can show you with the setup that we have here, just a basic overview. There's three main components. We have the control device where you put all your settings. We have the hydraulic components that actually do the work of shutting off the valve if there is any leaking. Also, we have the wireless sensors, which will be the occupancy sensor, as well as the moisture sensors that you can put throughout your house that feed back into the control box. Also, I want to get into the actual settings of the box itself, which I will tell you briefly. So we'll actually come up and look at the screen a little bit closer, and you'll be able to tell the differences and how the different settings work with the system. As you can see right now, the system is in normal flow. This is kind of the normal flow you would achieve out of a faucet in your home, and you can tell on the screen for the LDS that it's showing the same amount of usage. It says normal. If I cut this to a very finite amount of flow, a very small drip, the box will change and show that. You can see that it's now showing dripping, and you can look at the faucet there and tell that it is actually reading what's actually going on. Alright, now I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the settings on the box versus what the external components information that it's feeding in. The wireless components of the system are the occupancy sensor, which we're just showing attached to the box just so we can show you that we use it. The way that we set this manually, if you want to override the system, is to go through this home or away setting on the box. Right now we have it in away setting so that we can actually show you an alarm scenario if you weren't home. The other wireless component of the system is the moisture sensor, which we show right here in the faucet. This is not typically what you would see in a household to measure a leak on a floor type setting, but I can show you that if it gets wet, it sets off the alarm. The other aspect of the system that we're going to show you is also the internet capability, which we'll get into in just a second. Okay, once you have your system configured, we would provide you with an internet access ID that you can go in and actually change all of the settings on your box. Any of the hydraulic settings, your network, your leakage timeouts, and the screen will actually tell you if your valve is open or closed, and you can see that from anywhere in the world. And lastly, I just want to talk about some very crucial aspects of the system which not any other system has. When we're in away mode and it sets off an audible alarm in the house, obviously that's not very useful to you if you're not at home. So the way we've overcome that is by the use of text alerts to your phone that can send you that message. Also, the other very crucial component of the system is that we have an earthquake alarm. If I shake the box here, it says closing the valve, and then in just a moment it'll set off an alarm. That's obviously very useful for any people who would be living in California or highly prone earthquake areas.
Thank you for joining us today in our discussion of the leak detection system. If you have any questions or would like to contact us, please do so at info@enelgasusa.com, through our website www.enelgasusa.com, or call us at our Fort Lauderdale office 954-938-4171.